After what seems like a long winter of making all sorts of warm-you-up pasta dishes, we thought it was about time that we went lighter and brighter. That's why today we're making a pasta toss that's quick to throw together, is easy on the wallet, and is as fresh tasting as can be. We start by cooking some penne pasta and draining it really well. Meanwhile, in a skillet, we saute some onion and yellow bell pepper that we've chopped in a bit of olive oil. After they're tender, we add a couple of tomatoes that we've chunked up, some Kalamata olives, and to give this its big taste, we toss in some sliced garlic and salt and pepper. Once the tomatoes cook down a bit, we'll add the pasta back in, along with some sliced basil and Parmesan cheese. There you have it, a pasta dish that's fresh tasting and perfect to serve right through the end of the summer. To get the recipe for what we call our Penne Pasta Toss, all you have to do is visit our website. You know, you could even add some cooked chicken or shrimp to this if you want. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a anytime easy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.